What's up guys, hope you're doing well. My name is Ahmed Sohail and this is Solar for You. So today's video is going to be me discussing and sharing with you guys the updated prices for a solar system, including the solar panel prices, the inverter prices, batteries, installation charges, BOM, total overall cost. I'll be giving a breakdown step-by-step analysis. Okay, so I have this quotation that I received from a work acquaintance of mine who told me about this 5 kilowatt hybrid solar system. So this involves a battery, of course, and this type of solar system. I'll give you guys what the requirements are. So it comes with the inverter, 6 kilowatt nitrox solar inverter, 48 volts, and the price of that single inverter is 290,000 PKR, 290,000 rupees for a 6 kilowatt nitrox 48 volts inverter. Now that's, again, the prices have gone up drastically. If you look at the solar panels, you can choose from either Longi, Jinko, Canadian, 545 watt monocrystalline, PERC technology, half cut, because the design is like such a way, the technology is it's a half cut solar panel, and the price for that single solar panel would be 42,000 rupees. Now this means that the per unit price is 85 rupees. If you compare that price to last year's, I believe it was 65 rupees per watt, if I'm not mistaken. The price for that single panel solar panel would be 35,500 rupees, give or take. So you can see that the prices, they have increased drastically. They've increased, they're elevated to skyrocketed through the roof. And this is due to the fact that the economy is depreciating, that the currency is depreciating against the dollar, the US dollar. So that also takes into the account of why the prices are going up in the solar market. And this is also causing a saturation as well, leading to customers and clients not wanting to spend or invest in solar energy, solar systems at the moment. But anyways, I'll get into that later on. So so like I mentioned, solar module, 42,000, and you'll be having 14 of those installed with a total cost of 588,000 PKR. And then you have the mounting structure. So there's a galvanized uplift or solar carport structure that I talked about in the previous video. So this is more common, it's more sturdy, stable structure to be installed and mounted, because it's, like I said, it's very durable. You can have more space, solar panels to install, more the roof's also going to be very cool. There's not much heat going to be provided and be spread out as well, so it's easier as well. So that, for cost of having that installed, is 14,000 for a single structure, and then you're having 16 of those, so the total cost will be 224,000. Next is the battery. So the battery that's going to be used in this solar system quotation is a tubular battery, 210 amp hour battery, with the cost of a single battery 55,000 sorry, 55,000, and 55,000 for a single battery. So you're going to be using 4 of those, 12 volts each in series, so it gives you 48 volts combined, with the total cost of 220,000. Next is the flexible DC wires, so 4 mm AC and then 6 mm DC cable wires, 32,000 single quantity. Then you have the circuit breakers, the changeover switches, the wires, the PVC cable ties, cable pipes, supporting items, etc. That's 35,000. And then you have the installation charges, which is a total cost rounding to 30,000. And then therefore the total cost of the solar system would be 1.4 million, so 1,419,000 PKR, or in simple Urdu terms, 14 lakhs. And of course there's also the addition of pylon tech 100 amp hour, that's unit price is 420,000, 2 of those, and that gives you a total of 840,000, but generally the total cost is 1,419,000. The price for a 5 kilowatt hybrid solar system is 14 lakhs. Just goes to show how crazy the prices are. I believe the previous video that I've done regarding the reviewing solar energy companies, where the 5 kilowatt hybrid was somewhere around 7 to 8 lakhs, give or take, somewhere around that, and now it's going up to 14 lakhs. Is crazy. It's surreal to even go to that figure. So double-digit figures. I mean, that's pretty much it, guys. The price I've shared with you, the proposal, the PDF for a 5 kilowatt hybrid solar system, and you can see that the ROI is also going to be 9 years as well. You know, for having a 5 kilowatt hybrid solar system, you're going to have a 9 years return on investment. So you're going to need to find a way to increase the electricity tariff in a way that you're able to spend or save annually on electricity bills more, so you can have a less ROI, much faster, easier, and a better investment for your solar system as well. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what else you want me to do. I'll see you guys next time.